Napakabilis nga ng panahon at ngayon ay 16 years old na ang panganay na anak ni Cheska Kramer at pati na rin ni Dog Kramer. Sa isang post sa social media ay pinakita ni Cheska ang ilan sa mga highlights ng nasabing celebration at talaga namang stunning ang ganda ni Kendra. Ayon kay Cheska, Happy 16th birthday, my Ken. Sweet 16 to my sweet, fun-loving, and funny girl, Kendra. How beautiful it is to celebrate this special day and to vividly remember the first time I held you in my arms. What a blessing. It's been a true joy to watch you grow up and become this wonderful young lady. There is so much to look forward to, and I can't wait to see all that will unfold in the days that will come. Enjoy your youth, but continue to stand firm in your faith and convictions. Put God first in everything you do. Always remember your family will be here to love, support, guide, and be there for you no matter what. I know you mentioned that turning 16 feels bittersweet because it's a step closer to adulthood and stepping into the real world. It may seem a little fast, especially as you're entering your junior year. That's why I encourage you to cherish your girlhood and enjoy each moment while also making wise choices and keep your identity rooted in Christ. Stay sweet, remain the good girl that you are, and never lose the genuine and radiant smile of yours. I love you so much, Kenny. Let's celebrate and have fun today, my love. Napa-comment naman ang mga netizen at sinabi ang ganito, "Where did the time go? Happy birthday, Kenny. You look absolutely gorgeous. Happy sweet 16, forever dalandan baby girl, now a beautiful lady, Kendra." Sa puntong ito ay masaya ang mga netizen na makita kung paano nga nag-bloom bilang isang dalaga ang anak ni Jessica at ni Dog Kramer. Mapapansin din na very rooted sila sa kanilang faith at pananampalataya sa Diyos.